If it doesn't start this time, then we're in trouble. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today is the day the engine is going in, barring any complications. It's going in, that's going in there. I'm so excited. But first, before we do any of that, this place is a riot, look. See it? It's, my whole area is just a total mess. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to clean up, get a wee tidy, I'll put you on a time lapse, and then let's get it in the bay. Bit of bad news, so what I've just told you there is we're keeping the manifold. We're no, because I've just went on and spoke to a few boys on the Facebook chat. The manifold is it doesn't fit any system on the market, not even standard. However, the Sports Cat does fit the standard manifold which I've got, so that we're going to send the manifold back and put the Sports Cat on. Okay, old octopus back on. The rain's on, it's a bit of a tight squeeze, I'm just trying to fit it in. Look at my face, jeez oh. Hey guys, 2 mounts in, one to go. This could be it, this is it. I can't believe it, I've done it. I've done it. Oh my god, oh my god, I've done it. It's done. Guys, see you in the morning to get everything connected. Hi everybody, last night you saw us get the engine in and bolt it up. I can't believe it. So tonight we're going to get the crane off, right? And I also have all these packages to open. That is the fluids, the gearbox mount, all that, the HT lead, spark plugs, all that stuff. So, hi, we're going to take the crane off now because all the bolts are, the mounts are done up. Actually no, we'll put the gearbox mount in first, then take the crane off. So, hi, let's do it. Oh, so buzzing, man, I can't believe we actually did it. Love the wee boxes. Sometimes you get stickers with them. I got stickers with the engine mount insert. There we go. Love it. Here we go. So you slide that one in, just like the engine mount in the last video. Slide it in like that, and then we go and it's okay. So same again. Pop. Pop. Let me show you the mounts now they're all finished and all polybushed. Upper gearbox mount. Upper engine mount. And lower torque mount. Let's unhook this crane. It's supporting itself, oh my god guys, I can't believe it. It's supporting itself, we bloody did it. Before we do this actually, I'm going to, I've got one of the heater matrix hoses isn't on the engine yet, so before I start taking up all the room, flathead screwdriver. It was right here the whole time. The rain came on there as I was doing the ECU, but luckily I've got my gazebo. I knew it's been roasting all day. It's been 27 degrees, right, which is mental for round about here. I don't know where my subscribers or my watchers are from. I doubt it's off of Scotland though. So 27 degrees even in summer is mental. And there was a notice on the motorway earlier from the Met Office saying it was going to be heavy rain. Couldn't risk no being able to work in the rain. So the bet paid off. Brilliant. hopefully, I'd rather the rain go after, but it's nice to know that we can work anyway. You might also remember the wee thread pin connector, remember this? The wee 10mm, so I'm just going to do that now as well. Then we've got our wee ground box connectors here, which go into here. This one's nice and easy, so this one goes in like that, and that one goes in like that. There we go, that's that one done. Then these sit in the back there. Air straps are in, connections are all connected. I'm going to put the battery in and we're not going to start it, we're just going to turn it to run and see if the electrics work. We have power! Okay, power's done. Next on the agenda is fluids, and we'll get this baby started up. And put the coolant tank in. Nice lovely. This will be us hooking up the silicone hoses, and then the only two left will be the radiator, which we'll put one next time we'll fill it. Power steering next. Okay, currently you've just seen me put the power steering bottle on. Now I'm putting on the high pressure power steering line that I didn't even have to take off, and I wish I never, because, oh no, sorry, I did have to take it off because I had to, sorry, it's a up basically, right? It's an 18mm nut, but you can't get a socket right on it, you have to use a spanner, but then I don't even have an 18mm, the wee Ukrainian guy gave me it, if you remember, so you have to use mole grips, right? But obviously just, it's no great. Look, let me show you. It's this bolt here, right? And you've not got any space to get the grips in because you've got the belt and the pulley in that there, and you've got your mani here, and a sensor in there too. It's just no great. So where I am now currently is I was just turning it the wrong way there. For some reason, it's no. You don't turn it to the right. You turn it to the left. I don't know why. I think I'm being stupid, but anyway, it's brutal. So I'm going to do that. I'll put it on time lapse, or I'll cut it out. I'll put a wee bit on time lapse because I'm going to be here for like half an hour, I think. So hi. Just about to put the oil in. First, going to stick a magnetic sump plug in, just because. I mean, if nothing else is ready and loose cooler oil. But first, we're going to do the oil filter. The magnetic sump is in, so it's all oil filter time. So the old one's off. Let's get this new one out the box. Classic Bosch oil filter. Just stick this on. There you go. Hand tight and then great, hand tight. A wee bit more for a wee bit. Right, I'm happy with that. Cool. Time to do power steering. I'm not going to bleed the system now, so there's about 1/4 of a litre left in that, and I'm also going to be making sure that my high pressure line isn't leaking, mole grips, you know. So really all there is to do now is put the rad pack on and do the coolant. It's time for the radiator and the crash panel and that, but just to save myself some lifting, I've hooked it up to the hoist to see if it works. I'm not really sure if it will. If it does though, it'll be good, but let's see. Let's get sensors and hoses connected. It's the next day. My coolant that I ordered for online didn't get delivered, so I had to go to Euro Car Parts and get coolant. I've not got a funnel, so we're just going to kind of freeball it in. Right. Jeez, oh. Oh, I made them absolute pig's ear of that. Made it on the bloody flare. The coolant's in, as you've seen. I made it a bit of a pigsty, but it's alright because I had more. So this is the first start because we've got to bleed the system. I've not got a drive shaft in, so no gearbox oil, so I'm not going to rev that. I'm just going to start it, keep the heater on, and then hopefully get some air out so it's no air locked. And then once we get the gearbox and that back in, we'll do a proper bleed. Also, I've not got an exhaust on right now, I've just got the downpipe on, so it's going to be loud. This is it, guys. First start, my heart's pounding, man. Right. Guys, I forgot to put the fuel pump relay back in. So if it doesn't start this time, then we're in trouble. It's been about an hour since I last spoke to you. I was tracking everything around the loom because it didn't fire the second time either. So I found a loose earth on the starter motor and I've fixed it. Hopefully this is us now. Ready? Oh, it's firing, it's firing, it's firing. Right, I need to bleed the coolant. It's working, we did it. Top hose is getting hot, which means the bleeding is working. Right guys, that's the system blade. I'm going to turn the car off. We did it, guys. We did it. The engine's running. The engine that we put in is running. We did it. With no leaks. Everything seems to be fine. The knocking was the downpipe because it's just swinging there. It's hitting off the heat shield. I checked because it was a wee bit worrying, but it wasn't the engine, which is good. We did it. We bloody did it. Thank you guys for supporting me and watching and everything. I also like to say thank you to my girlfriend Cara because I've been out here from the minute I finish work to the 10:30 every single night for the last month. So big thanks to her for looking after the dog and keeping the house and that, and she's lovely. Anyway, all we've got to do now is put the drive shaft back in, top up the gearbox with oil, put the exhaust on, and do this brake disc on the driver's side, and then we can drive. Thank you so much for watching and watching me do my first engine swap. Jeez, oh, a lot of headaches and blood, sweat and tears literally, but we got there in the end, and I actually cannot believe that we did it. So thank you for keeping me motivated and supporting me in that, and I hope to see you in the next week for first drive.